Most welcome in another episode of Special One Word Substitution, branch of medicine concerned with children and their illness. This is called pediatrics, P-E-D-I-A-T-R-I-C-S, pediatrics. दिस इज ए नाउन, हिंदी में इसे बाल चिकित्सा कहा जाता है. ए पनिशमेंट इम्पोज्ड फॉर ब्रेकिंग लॉ, रूल और कंट्रैक्ट. ए पनिशमेंट imposed for breaking a law, rule or contract. This is called penalty, P-E-N-A-L-T-Y, penalty. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे जुर्माना कहा जाता है. A special fondness or liking for, a special fondness or liking for. This is called penchant, P-E-N-C-H-A-N-T, penchant. ये एक नाउन है, हिंदी में इसे विशेष रुचि कहा जाता है. A small ornament which hangs down especially from a necklace. A small ornament which hangs down especially from a necklace. This is called pendant, P-E-N-D-A-N-T, pendant. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे लटकन कहा जाता है. A large mass of land projecting into a body of water. A large mass of land projecting into a body of water. This is called peninsula, P-E-N-I-N-S-U-L-A, peninsula. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे प्रायद्वीप कहा जाता है. Deep in thought, deep in thought. This is called pensive, P-E-N-S-I-V-E, pensive. This is an adjective, हिंदी में इसे चिंताग्रस्त कहा जाता है. Continuing for a long period of time without interruption. This is called perpetual, 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 P-E-R-P-E-T-U-L, perpetual. This is an adjective, हिंदी में इसे लगातार कहा जाता है. An incidental benefit awarded for certain types of employment. An incidental benefit awarded for certain types of employment. This is called prerequisite, prerequisite, P-R-E-R-E-Q-U-I-S-I-T, prerequisite. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे रियायत कहा जाता है. Subject someone to hostility and ill treatment, especially because of their race or political or religious belief. This is called persecute. This is called persecute, P-E-R-S-E-C-U-T-E, persecute. ये एक वर्ब है, इसको हिंदी में कहा जाता है अत्याचार करना. Constant effort to achieve something, constant effort to achieve something. This is called perseverance, P-E-R-S-E-V-E-R-A-N-C, perseverance. ये एक नाउन है, हिंदी में इसे दृढ़ता कहा जाता है. A person employed in armed forces, a person employed in armed forces, he is called personnel, P-E-R-S-O-N-N-E-L, personnel. This is a नाउन, हिंदी में इसे कार्मिक कहा जाता है. ए पर्सन हु ऑलवेज एक्सपेक्ट्स बैड थिंग्स to happen or something not to be successful. This is called pessimist, P-E-S-S-I-M-I-S-T, pessimist. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे निराशावादी कहा जाता है. Killing of pests, killing of pests. This is called pesticide, P-E-S-T-I-C-I-D-E, pesticide. ये एक नाउन है, हिंदी में इसे कीटनाशक कहा जाता है. Stick with a thick end used in a mortar for ponding. This is called pestle. This is called pestle, P-E-S-T-L-E, pestle. ये एक नाउन है, हिंदी में इसे मूसल कहा जाता है. Decrease or fade gradually before coming to an end. Decrease or fade gradually before coming to an end. This is called peter, P-E-T-E-R, peter. This is a verb, हिंदी में इसे धीरे धीरे समाप्त हो जाना कहा जाता है. A person who always runs after women, a person who always runs after women. This is called philanderer. This is called philanderer, P-H-I-L-A-N-D-E-R-E-R, philanderer. This is noun, हिंदी में इसे इश्कबाज कहा जाता है. One who loves all mankind, someone who freely gives money and helps to people who need it. This is called philanthropist. 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 This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे जनहितैषी कहा जाता है. A person who collects or studies stamps. A person who collects or studies stamps. He is called a philatelist. He is called a philatelist. 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 डाक के टिकट का संग्राहक. One who does not care for literature or art. One who does not care for literature or art. This is called Philistine. 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 ये एक नाउन है. हिंदी में इसे अशिक्षित कहा जाता है. Intense and unreasoned fear of dislike. This is called phobia. ये भी एक नाउन है. हिंदी में इसे भय कहा जाता है. To study and classification of sounds. This is called phonetics. To study the study and classification of sounds. This is called phonetics. 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 ये एक नाउन है. इसको हिंदी में ध्वनि विज्ञान कहा जाता है. A doctor who is a specialist in general medicine and not surgery. He is called a physician. 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 ये एक नाउन है. हिंदी में इसे चिकित्सक कहा जाता है. A study of human body. This is called physiology. Physiology. Physiology एक नाउन है. इसे हिंदी में शरीर विज्ञान कहा जाता है. Treatment by means of exercise and massage. Treatment by means of exercise and massage. This is called physiotherapy. 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 ये एक नाउन है. हिंदी में इसे भौतिक चिकित्सा कहा जाता है. This is all about today's special episode of One Word Substitution. Thanks, regards.